you can download Handbrake into your PC. Basically, in my case, I'm using Windows. So, but I think technically in all devices which you are using, this is the method. What you are supposed to do, just get into your browser. Then what you need to do again is just search for Handbrake software. Then hit enter. Then just use the first link, which is Handbrake open source transcoder. Just use it. I think it is safe. Just hit above it. Then just choose to download Handbrake for Windows 10. But if you are using other platforms such as Linux or Mac, you can also download Handbrake. It is compatible with them. Just hit download Handbrake here. So it will just take some second, and the download process have started. So as you can see, the Handbrake is installing. Is about 23.1 megabytes. So let us give it time to download. Although already I downloaded it for experimental purposes, and it technically works very well, and I usually use it to compress my video files. But we should just wait it to download for just to demonstrate this video well. But technically, when it is fully downloaded, you should get an output like this from download. So in order to install it, so instead of waiting it to download it, it's just one and the same thing. So what you're supposed to do is just click above it after installing. Sure, you click above it to start to it is preparing for installation. So you just give it some time. So you should be asked to do you allow this app to make changes to your PC. You just select yes. But in case you are not able to install it using the download window, what you can do, you can just log out of your browser. Just come into your device file explorer, then come to where we have download, since it will be in default saved into download. So it is here. You just need to click above it as usually install normal softwares. Then when you are being requested, if you want the software to make some changes in your PC, just choose yes. And after choosing yes, it is here. You are being told welcome to Handbrake 1.90 setup. So you just hit next. Just you agree with the license, click yes, then install Handbrake. So it just takes some few seconds for Handbrake to be installed, and now it will be installed, ready for use in your gadget, and it will be added here. So as you can see, it is already installed, and our Handbrake is here, and we can enjoy Handbrake. So we can just open for demonstration purposes. So it is here. So technically, this Handbrake assists us to compress video, to regulate the volume of video, or to add video to add volume to videos which have minimal sound. We can add the volume. So this is what we technically do. So in the next video, I have demonstrated to you how you can use this Handbrake to compress videos, and also to convert videos from other